Hey there TRW crew, Matt Vasallo here with rhinestoneworld.com. So in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to take a pair of guys' shoes and a pair of the Swift Run Adidas shoes that I wear to the different trade shows that we go to. Show you how to accent those with rhinestones. So you can see it a little bit. It isn't overwhelming, but it can still look pretty cool and make a pair of guys' shoes really stand out. So stick around to see how. So this is the shoe we're going to be doing here today, and you can see I have my Adidas stripes going down the side right here, and it's more of a fabric feel to the shoe, but the stripes are almost more of kind of a leathery plastic type feel. So the glue I'm going to be using here today is the super tight multi-grab 360 that we have available on the website at rhinestoneworld.com. I'll put all the links right below this video. So this is the strongest of the glues, but the amazing part about this glue is completely safe, so you don't have to worry about any of the toxins like some of the other glues have out there. The next thing we're going to use is some of our SS20 TRW diamond cut flat back rhinestones. I'm going to use the jet black stones so they really blend in with those all black shoes to look pretty sweet. And then I'm going to use my crystal katana tool as the pickup tool to be able to pick up the stones to put them onto the shoes. So let's head over to our workstation here. Let's get these shoes made, and at the end I'm going to run through the numbers and let you know how much you can make and how you can start a business blinging shoes like I'm doing right here. Okay, so we're now over here at our workstation. We have our shoe here, obviously. I have my super tight multi-grab 360 glue, my crystal katana tool. I have my syringe that you can get on the website as well with the 360 inside of it. That's going to apply with my tip right here. And then my SS20 jet black diamond cut stones. So we already put the glue into our syringe here. Let's go ahead and get to applicating this. So first thing I want to do, I always work from the left to the right because I'm right-handed, so I'm not putting my hand on the stones as I'm going. And pretty simple, I'm just going to draw a straight line down this side right here. That looks good. And then we can get to applying. So this tool is amazing because it's so easy to pick up the stones. Now the big thing you'll always hear me say is the less glue, the better. You can see I didn't put a lot of glue on here because what you don't want to happen is the glue start to seep out all of the sides really bad, and it'll start to cover up some of the stones as well. So we want this to be very subtle like you're going to see here with the black on black, but these are pretty much going to guarantee be the best Swift runs you'll find anywhere for Adidas. So good with that one. Let's go ahead and start our next row here. And we're just going to keep working our way through. Alright, so there we go. You can see this entire shoe right here is done now. And the SS20 jet black PRW diamond cut rhinestones. Looks pretty awesome. Not going to be overwhelming, but going to look pretty sweet at the trade shows. Alright, so there we go. You can see this shoe is completely done. So what I want to do is I want to run through the numbers now, let you know how much you can make doing custom shoes like this. And you don't even need equipment. You don't need the heat press. You don't need the vinyl cutter to get a side business started. And you can make some huge margins. So let's go ahead, check out the numbers, see what we would make on a pair of shoes like this that a customer supplies us, and see if it's going to be worth your time. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to run the numbers here to see how much money we're going to make on creating some custom rhinestone shoes like this. So this is going to be based on us charging, I'm going to say a really, really low number, and I'm going to say $60 to customize a pair of shoes like this. Me personally, I would charge around $100 an hour, or about $75 for this pair of shoes. But let's just say you're going to charge $60. Let's say on the lower end of it. So we're going to buy a 50 gross of rhinestones for around $129 of the SS20 stones. So you're going to get a total of 7,200 stones. That's about little over 1 cent, close to 2 cents per stone, to do all 4 sides of these shoes right here. We had 444 of the SS20 stones. So our total stone cost is going to be $7.96. Next, we have our glue. Let's say we got the glue for $8.95. We're going to probably be able to do about 50 pairs of shoes with this glue. Probably more than that. So we're looking at about 18 cents in glue cost. Very minimal with the glue cost for something like this. So our total material cost is going to be $8.13. Again, retailing these shoes, if they provide us with the shoes, we're going to bling them out at $60. Our hourly employee that's going to be working on these shoes, let's say it's not even you. You want to make money. You have 3 or 4 or 5 employees doing this for you. Let's say you're paying them $12 an hour to do this. So total time to do these, it took me about 10 minutes per side, a little bit less than 10 minutes for each of the 3 stripes. Obviously, we have 4 sides. So the employee cost is going to be about $8 on these shoes. So total cost with all of our employee labor costs plus our materials, glue, the rhinestones, is going to be $16.13. Retailing them at $60, our total profit for the business is going to be $43.87, which for the business is about $65.80 an hour. And that is with all of your cost involved. That's pretty freaking amazing, isn't it? Didn't know there were that big of numbers and that you can make that much money doing a little size business, customizing tennis shoes with rhinestones, right? And it doesn't always have to be, you know what? 95% of the shoes you do are going to be female shoes and they're going to look awesome. But if you just want something subtle to make a pretty awesome looking guy's shoe as well, which I'm obviously going to be wearing at the trade shows, being the rhinestone world. So pretty easy, pretty simple, huge margins. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to put a link right below this video to all the different products I used to create this shoe right here. You saw the numbers. You see the money that you can make. So please comment below. Let me know what you think of these videos. Subscribe to that YouTube channel right here. Just click that little subscribe button. Click that little bell right next to it. That's going to give you reminders each time we post a video. But comment below, let me know, click that like button right there, and we will see you guys soon. Later.